Hello everyone. In last class we know about the degrees of carbon and 0 degree, 1 degree. Already studied about the 0 and 1 degree. What is the means of 0 degree? Then definition of 0 degree is if a carbon element attached with only hydrogen atom, then degree of a carbon is called 0 degree. If all valencies of carbon element complete by only hydrogen element, then degree of a carbon is 0 degree. 1 degree carbon, if carbon element attached with another carbon and remaining 3 valencies of each carbon complete by hydrogen atom, then degree of both carbon is 1 degree. Simple definition: if a carbon atom attached with only one side another carbon, if carbon atom attached with another carbon only one side, then it's a 1 degree carbon. So both carbon 1 degree. Why? This carbon only one side carbon and this carbon have also one side carbon. So degree of this carbon 1 degree. 2 degree carbon. What is the means of 2 degree carbon? Carbon atom, tetrahedral structure and tetravalency. This carbon is 2 degree and both are hydrogen. 2 degree carbon. If 2 free valencies of carbon atom complete by 2 carbon and both carbon have different side, both carbon are different side, means if carbon attached with another carbon, if a carbon atom attached with another carbon from two side, then it's a 2 degree carbon. This carbon and this carbon only 1 degree, because this carbon have one side and this have also one side, but this carbon is 2 degree, both side carbon. Next, 3 degree carbon. If 3 free valencies are complete by 3 carbon and 1 free valency complete by hydrogen atom, then degree of this carbon is called 3 degree. Why? Because this carbon have 3 side another carbon and 1 side hydrogen, so it's a 3 degree carbon. These carbon are a 1 degree, one side and one side, but center carbon 3 degree carbon due to 3 side another carbon. Next, 4 degree carbon. If all free valencies complete by carbon atom, if all free valencies of carbon element complete by another carbon, then central carbon is called 4 degree carbon. 4 side another carbon 4 degree, 3 side another carbon 3 degree, 2 side another carbon 2 degree, only one side or single carbon, then it's a 1 degree, and absent of any carbon, only central carbon is present, it's an 0 degree. Now example: explain the degree of a following structure. In first structure, this carbon 0 डिग्री. एक बात इसमें और ध्यान रखना बेटा बे, another name of 0 degree is a super 1 degree. Super 1 degree. 0 degree, another name is super 1 degree. It's a 0 degree. In this example, this carbon have one side another carbon, it means it's a 1 degree carbon. It's a also 1 degree carbon. This carbon have one side and this have also one side carbon. In this example, 3 degree carbon. Why? Due to 3 side another carbon. But a corner carbon 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. One side and one side. In this example, this carbon is a 4 degree carbon due to all side or 4 side another carbon present. But corner carbon 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree and 1 degree. In this example, center carbon is 2 degree and corner carbon 1 degree, 1 degree. Why 2 degree carbon? Due to 2 side another carbon present. So total number of degree in compound, super 1 degree or 0 degree, super 1 degree or 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree. Another name of 1 degree is primary. Another name of 2 degree is secondary. 3 degree is tertiary. T-E-R-T, tertiary. And another name is quadri. Q-U-A-D, quadri. Degree of a carbon. Now, once again, we will study about the monohydric alcohol. We already know about the monohydric alcohol. In monohydric alcohol, in aliphatic hydrocarbon like alkene, one hydrogen atom replaced by one hydroxyl group, and this type compound called monohydric alcohol. But based upon degree, very very important, based upon degree, monohydric alcohol are 4 type. Based upon degree, monohydric alcohol are 4 type, and these are super 1 degree alcohol and 0 degree alcohol. Another is a 1 degree or primary alcohol, 2 degree or secondary alcohol, 3 degree or tertiary alcohol. Based upon degree, monohydric alcohol are 4 type: super 1 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Now example of monohydric alcohol based upon degrees. First example, CH3OH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Another CH3, CH2, CH, CH3OH. CH3, CH3OH. All are monohydric alcohol due to hydroxyl group. In all example, number of hydroxyl group is only 1. It means all are 1 degree, all are monohydric. But this monohydric alcohol is a super 1 degree or 0 degree alcohol. Why? Because a OH attached with this carbon and this carbon attached with only hydrogen. So it's a monohydric and super 1 degree alcohol. It's a 1 degree monohydric alcohol. Why? Hydroxyl group attached with this carbon and this carbon have one side, another carbon are present. This carbon have one side, so 1 degree or primary. Next example, 2 degree or secondary alcohol. Why? Because OH group attached with this carbon and this carbon have two side, another carbon are present. One side and two side, another carbon are present, so it's a 2 degree or secondary monohydric alcohol. And next example, 3 degree monohydric or tertiary monohydric alcohol. Why? Because in this structure OH or hydroxyl group attached with this carbon and this carbon have three side, another carbon are present. OH attached with this carbon and this carbon have three side, another carbon are present, so it's called 3 degree alcohol. 4 degree or quadri monohydric alcohol can't possible. Why? If all 4 valencies complete by carbon, then hydroxyl group can't attach with this carbon, because we know total number of valency of carbon element only 4. According to number of valency, number of bonds chosen by any element. If OH group also attached with this carbon, then valency of this carbon is 5 and 5 valency can't possible of a carbon. So based upon degree, monohydric alcohol are 4 type: super 1 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Super 1 degree means OH group direct attached with methyl group or carbon. Carbon have no any carbon, so super 1 degree. If OH group attached with a carbon and this carbon have only one side, another carbon, 1 degree. If OH group attached with any carbon and any carbon attached have two side, another carbon, 2 degree. If OH group attached with carbon and this carbon have three side, another carbon, so 3 degree monohydric alcohol. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में जब हम इसके बारे में और स्टडी करेंगे तब हमें सेकंड क्लासिफिकेशन, जो सेकंड क्लासिफिकेशन है अपना, हेडिंग लिख रहा हूं मैं यहां पे, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एल्कोहल बेस्ड अपॉन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. Classification of alcohol based upon hybridization. First, if OH group attached with which carbon? sp3 carbon. And second classification according to hybridization, if hydroxyl group OH group attached with which carbon? sp2 carbon. If a hydroxyl group attached with which carbon? sp carbon. So classification of alcohol based upon hybridization, 3 type. If OH group attached with sp3 carbon, OH group attached with sp2 carbon, OH group attached with the sp carbon. In any organic compound, maximum hybridization is a sp3 maximum. Why? Because a formula of hybridization for any organic compound is a number of a sigma bond plus a number of a lone pair. We already know total number of sigma bond for carbon, maximum 4. So if a number of sigma bond 4, then maximum hybridization for any carbon is a sp3 and minimum for it is a sp. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसको देखते हैं. ओके.